Hello guys, my name is Brian Nago from eXp Realty Luxury. We're standing at one of our new listing here, a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom at 30 East 31st Street in Manhattan. One of the most inspired skyscraper condo development in Manhattan right now. And the price we're asking for this unit is only at $1.55 million. So let's go check it out. What do you guys think about this unit? It's such a beautiful unit. Look at this. You got top to bottom window, almost 10 feet high. So if you guys like more information about this unit, please reach out to us in our description, and information is right down below. See you guys on the next tour. Bye.